Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something super delicious and good for you, hazelnuts. You know those little nuts that make everything better? We're going to dive into all the amazing health benefits they offer. Get ready to learn about how these little powerhouses can boost your heart health, your brain power, and even give your skin a healthy glow. We're talking 6 incredible benefits you won't believe you've been living without. If you're as excited about healthy living as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Okay, let's get cracking. Let's talk about what makes hazelnuts so special. These little nuts might be small in size, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Whether you're snacking on them raw, adding them to your favorite recipes, or blending them into a creamy nut butter, hazelnuts are a versatile and delicious way to boost your health. These little guys are like tiny treasure chests filled with vitamins and minerals. Imagine having a handful of nature's own multivitamin, ready to fuel your body with essential nutrients. Hazelnuts are not just tasty, they're a powerhouse of goodness. First up, we've got vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and it also plays a role in strengthening your immune system. So when you munch on hazelnuts, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're giving your body a shield against harmful free radicals. And hold on, there's more. Hazelnuts are also packed with B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and keeping your metabolism humming like a well-oiled machine. These vitamins help convert the food you eat into energy, ensuring that you stay active and alert throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or tackling a busy workday, hazelnuts can give you that extra boost you need. And if that weren't enough, they're also a great source of magnesium, which is like a natural relaxer for your muscles and nerves. Magnesium helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. It's also involved in protein synthesis, bone development, and DNA production. So, incorporating hazelnuts into your diet can help you stay calm and collected, even on the most stressful days. We all need a little more chill in our lives, right? Imagine coming home after a long day and enjoying a handful of hazelnuts to help you unwind. It's like a mini spa treatment for your body and mind. And don't even get me started on potassium. Hazelnuts are full of it. Potassium is a vital mineral that helps maintain fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. It's also essential for heart health, as it helps regulate your heartbeat and ensures that your muscles and nerves function properly. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and keeping those heartbeats strong and steady. By including hazelnuts in your diet, you're supporting your cardiovascular system and promoting overall heart health. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your well-being. So basically, these little nuts are like the ultimate multivitamin, all wrapped up in a delicious, crunchy package. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, protect your cells, or support your heart, hazelnuts have got you covered. So next time you're in need of a nutritious snack, reach for a handful of hazelnuts and enjoy the benefits of these tiny but mighty nuts. Now, let's talk about antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining our health and well-being. They work tirelessly to protect our cells from damage and keep us feeling youthful and vibrant. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. These unstable molecules are produced naturally in our bodies as a result of various processes, such as metabolism and inflammation. However, external factors like pollution, radiation, and unhealthy diets can increase the number of free radicals, leading to oxidative stress. But don't worry, hazelnuts are here to save the day. They're bursting with antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic compounds. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cell membranes from damage, while phenolic compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These antioxidants act like little superheroes, neutralizing those pesky free radicals and protecting your cells from harm. By scavenging and neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants help prevent the chain reactions that can lead to cellular damage and chronic diseases. Studies have even shown that hazelnuts may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is amazing news for fighting off chronic diseases. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. So, by adding a handful of hazelnuts to your diet, you're basically giving your body an antioxidant boost and helping it stay healthy and strong for years to come. Hazelnuts are not only delicious but also versatile, making them an easy addition to your daily meals and snacks. It's like giving your cells a big, warm hug. Imagine the comfort and protection your cells feel as they are shielded from harm by these powerful antioxidants. So, next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, reach for a handful of hazelnuts and give your body the love and care it deserves.
Know you've been a good friend.
Okay, let's talk about heart health, because who doesn't love a happy heart? A happy heart means a happy life, and taking care of your heart is one of the best things you can do for your overall well-being. Hazelnuts are like little heart cheerleaders, cheering on your heart to stay strong and healthy. They are full of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that can help keep your ticker ticking strong. These tiny nuts pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. Remember those healthy fats I mentioned? Well, they are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Hazelnuts are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are the good kinds of fats that your heart loves. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By incorporating hazelnuts into your diet, you're giving your heart the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. And let's not forget about fiber. Fiber is another important component of a heart-healthy diet. Hazelnuts are a good source of fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels and keeps your blood sugar in check. This means that hazelnuts can help prevent spikes in blood sugar and keep your heart functioning smoothly. Fiber also aids in digestion and can help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight, which is another key factor in heart health. All of these factors combined make hazelnuts a heart-healthy superstar. They are a delicious and nutritious snack that can help you take care of your heart. So next time you're looking for a heart-healthy snack, reach for a handful of hazelnuts. They are easy to incorporate into your diet and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Whether you eat them on their own, add them to your favorite recipes, or use them as a topping for salads and yogurt, hazelnuts are a versatile and tasty way to show your heart some love. So go ahead, grab a handful of hazelnuts and make your heart happy. Now, for those of you looking to manage your weight, listen up. Hazelnuts can be your new best friend. I know, it sounds crazy, right? Nuts are usually associated with being high in fat and calories. But here's the thing. Hazelnuts are full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can actually help you feel fuller for longer and reduce those pesky cravings. Studies have shown that people who eat nuts regularly tend to have a healthier body mass index, or BMI, than those who don't. So, don't be afraid to add a small handful of hazelnuts to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salad for a satisfying crunch that won't derail your healthy eating goals. Did you know that hazelnuts can also work wonders for your skin? It's true. Remember vitamin E, our antioxidant superstar? Well, it's also amazing for your skin. Vitamin E helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. And that's not all. Hazelnuts are also a good source of healthy fats, which are essential for keeping your skin hydrated and supple. So if you're looking for a natural way to achieve that healthy, radiant glow, adding hazelnuts to your diet is a great place to start. Your skin will thank you for it. Last but not least, let's talk about brain power. Hazelnuts are like a superfood for your brain, packed with nutrients that can help improve cognitive function and memory. We already talked about vitamin E and its antioxidant powers, but did you know that it's also been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of cognitive decline? And hold on, there's more. Hazelnuts are also a good source of magnesium, which is essential for nerve function and communication in the brain. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to keep your mind sharp and focused, make hazelnuts your new go-to snack. Your brain will thank you for it. There you have it, folks. 6 amazing health benefits of hazelnuts that prove these little nuts are true nutritional powerhouses. From boosting heart health and brain power to promoting healthy skin and aiding in weight management, hazelnuts are a delicious and versatile addition to any diet. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a bag of hazelnuts today and start enjoying all the amazing benefits they have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy hazelnuts, and share this video with your friends.